Have you ever felt a strange tingling in your hands or feet? Maybe it's like pins and needles when you sit too long, or a burning, crawling, almost electric feeling in your fingertips or toes, sometimes for no reason at all. You're not imagining it, and you're not alone. That tingling, numbness, or buzzing sensation you feel is often a sign of nerve damage or poor circulation, and it becomes more common as we get older. But here's the good news. There are natural ways to fight back. And today, we're diving into 8 gentle but powerful remedies that can help you calm the tingling, improve circulation, and support nerve health without relying only on pills. And one of them? It's shown in studies to regenerate damaged nerves, especially in seniors with diabetes or nerve inflammation. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments, where do you feel the tingling most? Your fingers, your feet, or both? And don't forget to hit subscribe, because every week we share practical, science-backed health tips made just for older adults who want to stay sharp, mobile, and pain-free. Let's get into it.
Number 8. Warm Epsom salt soaks. Let's start simple with something you can do tonight. A warm foot or hand soak with Epsom salts helps relax the nerves, reduce inflammation, and increase blood flow to the extremities. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium sulfate, which many seniors are deficient in, and magnesium is key to nerve signal transmission and muscle relaxation. Soak your hands or feet in warm, not hot water with 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt for 15 to 20 minutes a few times a week. Not only does it help the tingling, it just feels good.
Number 7. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. Next is a supplement that's been shown to actually repair damaged nerves. Alpha-lipoic acid is a powerful antioxidant found in foods like spinach, broccoli, and red meat. But in supplement form, it's been used for years to help people with diabetic nerve pain. Studies show that ALA helps reduce burning, tingling, and numbness, especially in the feet, and may even help restore nerve function when taken consistently. Talk to your doctor about trying 300 to 600 milligrams of ALA per day.
Number 6. Gentle movement and stretching. You've heard it before. Move it or lose it. But when it comes to tingling limbs, movement is one of your best tools. Gentle stretches, chair yoga, tai chi, or short walks help stimulate blood flow and lymph circulation, keeping nerves oxygenated and reducing pressure around them. Staying still too long, especially with crossed legs or hunched posture, can actually worsen nerve compression. Try light stretching in the morning, after meals, and before bed. Even 10 minutes helps.
Number 5. Vitamin B12-rich foods. If you're over 60, there's a strong chance you're low in vitamin B12, which is critical for nerve insulation and repair. Low B12 is one of the leading causes of numbness and tingling in older adults. Foods rich in B12 include eggs, sardines, liver, beef, and fortified cereals. But sometimes food alone isn't enough, especially if you have absorption issues. Ask your doctor about getting your B12 levels tested, and consider a sublingual B12 supplement if needed. If this is helpful so far, type "calm the tingle" in the comments so I know you're with me. And if you've tried any of these remedies, let us know what's worked for you. Now let's get to the top 4, because these are where most people start feeling real results.
Number 4. Antioxidant-rich foods, especially berries. Nerve damage is often linked to oxidative stress, tiny imbalances in the body that wear down your nerves like rust on a wire. That's where antioxidants come in. They help protect nerves from further damage and promote healing from the inside out. The best sources? Blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, spinach, and dark chocolate. Try adding a handful of berries to your breakfast daily for a gentle, delicious dose of nerve protection. Number 3. Turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its strong anti-inflammatory effects. It helps reduce nerve pain, improve circulation, and even supports nerve regeneration. But here's the trick.
Your body doesn't absorb turmeric well on its own. That's why you always want to combine it with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Mix turmeric and black pepper into soups, stews, or try golden milk with almond milk before bed.
Number 2. Essential oils, peppermint and lavender. For fast relief, essential oils can work wonders. Peppermint oil has a cooling, numbing effect on nerves, while lavender oil calms the nervous system and reduces inflammation. A 2017 study showed that seniors who used lavender oil massage reported significantly less tingling and better sleep within just a few weeks. Dilute with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil and massage into hands and feet before bed.
Number 1. Improve circulation with daily foot massage. And finally, the most important and most overlooked remedy: touch. Daily foot and hand massage, either by a caregiver, partner, or even yourself, increases circulation, reduces nerve pressure, and helps your brain reconnect with those extremities. It's been shown to help people with diabetic neuropathy, poor circulation, and even early-stage nerve damage feel relief within weeks. Try using warm oil, gentle pressure, and a few minutes each night to reconnect with your body.
So there you have it. 8 natural, gentle ways to calm the tingling, support your nerves, and feel your hands and feet again. Let's recap. Epsom salt soaks, alpha-lipoic acid, gentle movement, vitamin B12, antioxidant-rich foods, turmeric and black pepper, essential oils, and daily massage. These aren't just remedies, they're invitations to care for your body differently. Because you deserve to feel your fingers. You deserve to walk without fear. You deserve to stay independent and connected to your life. Comment below with "Calm the Tingle" if this gave you hope. Like the video if you learned something new. Subscribe for weekly health tips made for strong, smart, resilient seniors like you. See you in the next one, and until then, take good care of those hands and feet.